Hi, my name is Muhammad Shafiq, and we will talk about Nature Week, and we will decide the best activity for the week. Okay. First, what do you know about Nature Week, guys?
Nature Week is about appreciate the nature.
Yeah,
Like that.
yes, like that. So, how about you? Is it the same?
I think planting.
Nanti. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I very good. Okay. Okay. So now I will talk about organize the tree planting activity. Okay. First, trees cool the air to evapotranspirations and provide shade that reduce radiations and reflection from hard city surface. Okay. And tree also absorb noise and provide an effective screen for unsightly area. Trees beautiful and add natural character to our city. Tree reduce stormwater runoff and prevent soil erosion during heavy rainfall. And tree foliage filters pollutants from the air and convert carbon dioxide to oxygen throughout photosynthesis. Okay. And the other way, we can make a tree house that catch your mind back to when you were a child. Perhaps one of your more memorable pastime was building or playing in a tree house, whether they will in the backyard or a secret forest location. Or you can also make a bird house. First, you take a student on a walk through a local park or the school ground. Look out for natural bird house or potential bird house location. Focus their attention on how trees provide the structural support and protections that bird need to build a home. Okay, sorry, it's my opinion. And so, how about you?
Okay, my name is Ahmad Musawi. I'm agree with you, but in my opinion, we should go to national park in Nature Week because at there we can see various interesting things like animals, plants, and so on. At there, we can play with animals that have been tamed, and also can feed them with close distance. For example, if we go to the horse barn, we can feed and ride it safely. At there, we also can see the exotic and rare plants in our country. For example, plants for medicals, beauties, and food purpose. So, we can improve our knowledge about nature in our country. At nature park, we can also do interesting activities such as hiking, diving, and so on. Through the activities, we can foster awareness in safeguarding and protecting the environment so that such activities can be continued. How about you?
My name is Desmond. For me, that's good choice actually. But for my opinion, we should go to forest reserve. This because it is good for our health. Many physical activity we can do, such as hiking to the mountain. Beside that, we can release our stress because in the forest there's only quiet and peaceful sound. Beside that, we also can see the beautiful of nature. there will be many species of bird and animal, including the rare plant that we rarely can see, and endangered species also we can found in the forest reserves. Okay, for the last, we can add our knowledge about the survival skill in forest. We can learn many skills that useful for us to survive in the forest, such as tie a rope, burn a fire, and so on. How about you, Amayasir?
Okay, thank you to Mr. Desmond. Okay, I also agree about your opinion. Okay, for my suggestion, I suggest to organize recycling day. Firstly, home recycling challenge. We can create healthy competition among students by holding a recycling challenge during a which children collect and record a list of recyclable items within their homes. Ask students to bring their list to class, and at the end of the challenge, reward the student who has recycled the most items at home through the more eco-friendly methods. Second, we can make paper recycling project. Parents will be late when this assignment is introduced by asking students to bring in paper from home and from that is destined for the trash bin, and they can help relieve parents and garbage and learn the process of recycling. The third is plastic reuse and research. Okay, from lumber and furniture, plastic trash is finding new life in unique products. The innovation used to design items that are manufactured through recycled plastic has introduced planters, toys, pet products, public use walkway, and packaging. Be on the lookout in class for the future fashion designer who shares the story of Emma Watson since 2016. Met Gala gown that was created using bottles or Adidas lines that is manufactured with plastic ocean waste. Okay, that's all for me.
So as the conclusion, we can found there's 4 activities that we want to organize during Asia Week, such as skilling week, trip to national park, trip to forest reserve,
And nature we are about tree planting.